In today's video, we're going to take a look at what we consider to be the 3 best bamboo steamers available on the market today in our opinion. You'll find links to each in the description box below. Please, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. First up is the Joyce Chen 2-tier bamboo 10-inch steamer baskets. Picture a classic, tan bamboo steamer stacked neatly under pot, its woven layers infusing dumplings with a subtle woody aroma as steam swirls through. This 10-inch, 2-tier steamer is crafted from natural bamboo, designed to fit over a wok or pot, and holds about 4 quarts total, perfect for steaming buns, veggies, or fish for 3 to 4 people. Its domed lid traps steam efficiently, and the open-weave bottom lets steam circulate for even cooking. Users love its authentic feel and versatility, as one user raved about making insanely good pork dumplings and fluffy red bean buns from scratch, noting the vibrant green color of steamed veggies compared to oven roasting. Joyce Chen, a pioneer of Chinese cuisine in America, inspired this design, which is great for healthy, oil-free cooking. The catch is that it requires hand washing and thorough drying to prevent mold, and some users suggest pairing it with silicone liners for easier cleanup. It doesn't come with liners or a pot, so you'll need a compatible 9 to 10-inch base. It's a budget-friendly, traditional choice for home cooks diving into Asian cuisine or steaming healthy meals. Next, let's check out the Crown Spire 2-tier bamboo steamer with reusable silicone liner. Imagine a sturdy, natural bamboo steamer with a modern twist, sitting under stovetop, its silicone liners making cleanup a breeze while you steam bao buns or broccoli. This 10-inch, 2-tier steamer offers the same 4-quart capacity as the Joyce Chen, but includes 2 reusable silicone liners to prevent sticking and simplify maintenance. The liners are non-stick, heat-resistant, and dishwasher-safe, a big plus for busy cooks. The bamboo is tightly woven for durability, and the domed lid ensures steam retention for even cooking. Users praise its ease of use, with one noting it's perfect for dim sum nights and loves the liners for keeping food like dumplings intact without soaking the bamboo. The set fits most 10-inch pots or woks, and its eco-friendly bamboo adds a sustainable touch. The downside is that the liners reduce the usable height in each tier slightly, which can be tricky for larger items like whole fish. Some users find the bamboo needs occasional oiling to maintain its look, and it's not mold-proof without proper drying. It's a great pick for home cooks who want a traditional steamer with modern convenience for regular Asian dishes or veggie steaming. Finally, we have the kitchen crust bamboo steamer basket for Chinese Asian cuisine. Picture a beautifully crafted bamboo steamer, its golden brown tiers stacked over a simmering pot, filling your kitchen with the aroma of steamed shrimp or jasmine rice. This 10-inch, 2-tier steamer, like the others, holds about 4 quarts and is designed for authentic Asian cooking, from dumplings to sticky rice. Its high-quality bamboo is reinforced for durability, and the domed lid with a tight weave ensures efficient steaming. It's versatile enough for veggies, seafood, or buns, and users love its sturdiness. One said it handled a full load of dim sum for a family of 5 without warping. The open weave base allows robust steam flow, and it fits most standard pots or woks. The catch is that, like the Joyce Chen steamer, it doesn't include liners, so you'll need parchment paper or separate silicone mats to avoid sticking, which adds to cleanup time. It also requires careful drying to prevent mold, and some users note the bamboo can absorb food odors if not cleaned promptly. It's a solid choice for traditionalists or Asian cuisine enthusiasts who don't mind a bit of extra care for authentic steaming. There you have it, 3 bamboo steamers with links to the product pages where you can check out more details and photos in the description box below. Please, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. I hope this helps you find the perfect steamer. Stay tuned for our next video. Happy cooking!